Hey guys, it's Alex C back with another review of a phone accessory this time, actually. We've got the Spigen glass screen protectors right here. So, easy pull tab, just like the Caseology cases, just to take it out. And when you open the box, it comes with these two plastic trays, which are actually your screen protectors itself. So, it's a pretty simple install process, so we will get right into that install process right now. Okay, so to install the screen protector, I have my phone right here. So I already wiped it down and stuff. So you just put the phone in, and like such, you just press and slide like this. And then you'll peel this and wait 30 seconds, so you'll peel that. So I actually already installed one of these to see how it would go, and it was a really simple, easy process, and it's just a simple tempered glass screen protector. And personally, I definitely recommend this glass screen protector since it comes with these really great trays, which makes it a lot easier to put it on so your screen protector's on perfectly. This is definitely one that's worth getting because for 11 bucks on Amazon, you get this in the packaging. And this is honestly really similar to what Apple has with their screen protectors and how you do that. So honestly though, I definitely recommend picking these up because it's pretty simple, honestly. And why not? So you get all this in the box for 11 bucks on Amazon from Spigen. I definitely recommend these Spigen glass screen protectors. So that is pretty much it for this quick little review of these screen protectors. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.